So, good morning from Cozumel. We're going to do an ATM on how to do a withdrawal. I'm on the corner of Pedro Joaquin Crosslight with Andreas Quintana Roo, also known as 30 and 11. There's a bank ATM across the street, or I choose and have for years this bank ATM with individual areas to go into. So here's the lesson on ATMs. Enter your card. There's a ways for English, and here's another lesson. See that denomination? That's what they have available to return to you. 500s, 200s, 200s, and 100. At times that's beneficial. I also have a Capital One ATM. Capital One ATMs will allow me to go ahead and do a withdrawal with no foreign exchange fees. That's an important event. If you're living in Mexico or if you're vacationing, foreign exchange fees are very common with, for instance, Chase, and could be up to 4%. Enter your ATM card. Clear that before you leave with your bank. Enter your PIN. Accept. This is to return some money in a checking account. Choose the denomination. Remember that by declining a conversion, which I will show you, you're using your bank exchange. I'm going to accept that this is a peso fee for taking out the money from the ATM. That's common. This is 58 pesos. If you have a determined another bank or other kind of account that does not charge you or reimburses you ATM, that's great. Now here's the difference. Accept or decline. Accept or decline. Decline. That's the important part about what I'm showing you. If you decline the conversion, now you're using your own bank conversion. Do not ever accept the conversion. It feels weird. It's on that side. It's dispensing the cash. Take the cash and hold. Hold here. Never walk out. Take your cash, walk. Just stay here. Go through this process. It's going to ask if you want to any other fees or any other experiences. Say no, and then hold your card. Take your card. Make sure that you're clear in the area behind you. Someone else is waiting, that's fine. In a public place. There you go. That's your ATM withdrawal tip and tricks from Cozumel, CindyCozumel, everything Cozumel. Like and subscribe to my channel. I've got over 330 videos right now, and I'll always add more.